In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack API key. Start by opening Slack in your browser and signing in to the workspace you want to connect. Use the workspace where you want the finished Slack integration to run, because the token you create later will belong to that workspace. Next, open a new browser tab and go to api.slack.com/apps. This opens the Slack API dashboard. If you are already signed in, Slack may take you straight to the Your Apps page. If you are not signed in yet, click Sign in to your Slack account in the middle of the page. When Slack asks for your workspace URL, enter the URL for the workspace you want to use. Then continue to the sign-in screen and enter your email address. After that, enter your password and complete the sign-in approval. If Slack asks you to approve the login from another device or confirm the workspace, follow the approval prompt so the browser can finish signing you in. Once sign-in is complete, you should be on the Your Apps page. Look near the top right corner for a button labeled Create New App. This is where you will start building the Slack app that generates the API key. Click Create New App. A pop-up will appear asking how you want to create the app. Click From Scratch. Now Slack asks for basic app details. Click into the app name field and type Demo API Bot. Type the name exactly as Demo API Bot, with each word separated by a space. Next, click the drop-down labeled Pick a Workspace to develop your app in. From the list, choose the workspace where you want this app to live. After the app name and workspace are both filled in, go to the bottom right of the pop-up and click Create App. Slack should now take you to the app's basic information page. In the left sidebar, find the Features section, then click OAuth and Permissions. This opens the page where Slack manages tokens, scopes, and app installation. Scroll down the OAuth and Permissions page until you reach the Scope section. Inside that section, find Bot Token Scopes. Under Bot Token Scopes, click Add an OAuth Scope. A drop-down will open. Start typing chat, right into the scope search field. Type it carefully as chat, right, because this permission lets the bot send messages as the app. When chat, right appears in the drop-down results, click it. After you select it, the chat, right scope should appear as a chip under Bot Token Scopes. That confirms the scope has been added to the Bot Token Permissions. Now scroll back to the top of the OAuth and Permissions page. Under OAuth Tokens, find the green button labeled Install to Workspace. Click Install to Workspace. Slack will open a permission request page showing the access this app is asking for. Review the requested access on that page, then click Allow in the bottom right corner. After you click Allow, Slack redirects you back to the OAuth and Permissions page. At the top of the page, Slack now shows a generated token under OAuth Tokens. This is the token you came here to create. Under OAuth Tokens, find the row labeled Bot User OAuth Token. The token value starts with xoxb-. Click the Copy button next to the token. This copies your Bot User OAuth token to your clipboard. Now paste that copied token somewhere safe, such as a password manager, an environment variable, or a .nve file. This token is your Slack API key. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You should now be back on the OAuth and Permissions page with a Bot User OAuth token displayed and copied to your clipboard. Any tool that asks for a Slack API key, a Slack bot token, or SLAC bot token is asking for this value. Paste the copied Bot User OAuth token into that tool when you need to authenticate your Slack integration.